Understanding short-term leases. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the world of leases, focusing specifically on short-term leases. If you're considering renting a place or if you're just curious about what short-term leases are, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the concept together. A short-term lease refers to a rental agreement for a property that lasts for a shorter period, typically less than a year. Unlike traditional long-term leases, short-term leases offer flexibility for both the landlord and the tenant. They are common in residential properties, especially for vacation rentals, and in commercial spaces where businesses might need a temporary location. Short-term leases come with distinct characteristics that set them apart from their long-term counterparts. Firstly, they're flexible, meaning you're not tied down for a long period. Secondly, they might be furnished, which is convenient if you're not planning to stay long. However, be mindful that short-term leases can be pricier per month compared to long-term leases, reflecting the higher risk and turnover costs for the landlord. Like anything, short-term leases have their advantages and disadvantages. On the plus side, they offer flexibility and convenience, especially if you're in a transitional phase of your life or you're traveling. However, they might come with a higher price tag and less stability, as landlords can opt not to renew a lease to adjust rental prices or switch to long-term tenants. Finding the right short-term lease requires some research. Online platforms can be a great starting point, as many specialize in short-term accommodations. Also, consider reaching out to real estate agents who are familiar with the local market. Remember to read the lease agreement carefully to understand the terms, including the lease duration, rent, and any additional fees or rules. Short-term leases can be a great option if you value flexibility and convenience. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons to decide if it's the right choice for your situation. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of short-term leases. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in finding your ideal rental solution.